Let's do some kickers on our back. So we're gonna keep our legs nice and straight, just gentle kickers. So I'm gonna hold right here. I have one hand that's gonna go underneath the back, and the other hand's gonna go underneath the neck. Hello. You ready? Nice straight kickers. Kick, kick, kick. Kick, kick, kick. Use your whole leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those were cute little baby kicks. Can we do them a little bit bigger? Let's do them a little bit bigger on the way back. You ready? Kick, kick, kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Did you have some bicycle legs? Did you bring your bicycle in the pool? Oh my goodness. Those were really nice kicks. We just want to keep our knees down a little bit. So what I'm going to do is bring her right up here. I'm going to bring my thumbs on her knees again so I can keep her legs nice and straight. Kick, 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 kick. Straight knees. Good girl. Let's see you do it. Ready? Straight legs. 1, 2. Beautiful. Oh, oh. Uh-oh. Oh, there you go. Oh, so nice. Such nice kicker. Oh, no. You keep bringing your bicycle into the pool. Get that bicycle.